Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the real world token. Ticker symbol is TRW. Now this is a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. It's kind of based off of Andrew Tate, Mr. Top G. Now don't get confused because I did see another token for pre-sale on pinksale.finance today called the real world, which is also based off Andrew Tate. Just make sure if you're looking at the tokens, you check ticker symbols, contract addresses, and socials, that type of stuff, web pages. Make sure everything matches up. Don't get confused with all the real world Andrew Tate tokens out there. This one, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen. We're going to go over the information on this token, how you can get it, all that type of stuff. We're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The real world. So the name of the token is the real world, ticker symbol TRW. It's not a brand new token or anything like that. It came out 1 month ago, almost exactly 1 month ago. And it's still doing pretty well. It's got a market cap of $694,000. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They have $53,000 in liquidity in Radium. And according to Dex Screener, 99.86% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $280,000. And this token has a community takeover claim, and this happens all the time here. So this is from June 29th. It says a community claimed ownership of this token June 29th. Developers rugged, so communities took over. Over 25% of the supply is owned by Andrew Tate. So Andrew Tate came out with his own token, the RNT token. He has an address on his Twitter that he posted a while ago. People send tokens over there. I'm not sure if he burns all of them or what he does with, maybe keep some, maybe burn some. I have no idea, but that's what happens. They send tokens to celebrities all the time. Started with Shiba Inu and tokens sending their some of their supply over to people like Vitalik Buterin. And ever since, people have been doing the same. So it says Andrew Tate releasing his TRW token in less than 48 hours via his ex at Cobra Tate. He owns 25% of the supply. So that's all that is according to the Dex Screener chart. If you look at Dex Screener, you can find all that info on there that I just talked about. They have a Telegram that you could follow. It could be linked on the Twitter here. So let's pull up the Twitter. The Telegram you could find in their pinned tweet here on this Twitter. It's kind of a mess of numbers, letters, symbols, all that type of stuff. So it doesn't have like an exact Telegram address. But if you look in their pinned tweet here, and this Twitter is at Real World CTO. So after the community takes over, they have CTOs, and this is the CTO webpage. So it says a community takeover where Cobra Tate owns 25% of the supply. Has a link to the contract address right there. 699 followers. Has a link to their webpage, therealworld.net. 287 tweets. And in the pinned tweet, it says TRW CTO. We have implemented a buy bot with instructions how to purchase in the Telegram room with Safeguard enabled to prevent any wallet drains. Come to our community and see what we're all about. So that's where the Telegram is. Basically, all the links, including the contract address, are on this Twitter right here. So how you get this token if you were looking to get it would be to fund your Trust Wallet or your Phantom wallet or Soulflare wallet with Sol. Go into the dApps, find Radium, and then trade your Sol for the TRW token using the contract address that you can find on this Twitter right there or on the webpage, therealworld.net. You probably won't have to set slippage. I don't think there is taxes, but we'll verify that in a second, hopefully on their webpage. Now, their Telegram has 577 members on there. 134 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this token if you want to learn more. Now, you go to their webpage, there's a little embedded video trailer there. It says, money making is a skill. We will teach you how to master it. Join the real world. I guess this is the name of Andrew Tate's new school. The last one is called Hustlers University. I guess that got a lot of flack from people out there for all sorts of different reasons. You know, renamed it, revamped it, and now it is the real world. So it says, introducing a massive upgrade. A modern education system is designed to make you, the modern education system is designed to make you poor. Imagine you could get access to multi-millionaire mentors who will give you a step-by-step path to reach your goals as fast as possible. That's exactly what you could find inside the real world. Learn vital life lessons. World-class custom-built learning application. Scale from 0 to 10K per month as fast as possible. Master the skills you need to maximize your income. So basically this page here is like just all about his school. It's not so much about the token or anything like that. But this is where you learn what the real world is, right? Join a private network. Celebrate your wins with people who understand. Make like-minded friends on the journey. Network with 113,000 plus people. Access to multi-millionaires, mentors, or hyper-successful experts in their field. Get mentored every step of your journey. One-on-one advice from industry experts. The latest information of what you learn. So they talk about e-commerce, copywriting, stocks, business and finance, crypto investing, crypto trading, content creation and AI, client acquisition and social media, new skills, artificial intelligence. And then it says, our students are winning, and it shows a bunch of like tweets and posts from different students, all that type of jazz on their page here. They have student interviews you could check out, bunch of different videos with, looks like Tristan Tate interviewing some students. And yeah, just tons of information on this page if you're actually interested in what this real world project is. They have frequently asked questions at the bottom of the page. And yeah, so they do refer to it as TRW, this school for short form, because that's in the frequently asked questions here. But yeah, go check this token out. It had a community takeover, so now it's run by the community, the CTO, and etc. And so yeah, go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.